What if I told you that even on low income, you can beat your loan instead of letting it beat you? Today on My Issues of Life, I'll share 6 smart strategies to pay off your debt faster, even when your income feels too small or is actually too small. But first, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell so you never miss money strategies that actually work. Stay with me till the end, and I will give you 5 tips and also common mistakes to avoid to make you completely financially free going forward. Why on-time repayment necessary? Before we dive into the 6 strategies, let's talk about why it matters to pay on time. Firstly, especially now in the US, as of 2025, millions of borrowers are seeing steep drops in credit scores as student loan collections resume. Some lost 100 to 150 points just because payments restarted and delinquencies got reported. Secondly, good repayment, which is paying on time and not missing due dates, helps lower your debt-to-income ratio, DTI, and improves your creditworthiness. Thirdly, that then means future access to better loans, lower interest rates, easier mortgages, car loans, and credit lines. Also, new policies like resume reporting of delinquencies mean that defaulting now has more severe consequences than before. So if you want control of your financial future, you must fight to repay smartly and on time. By the way, if you're getting value from this video, drop a comment below. I need more strategy. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, where we cover loan negotiating tactics. 6 ways to repay faster on a low-income way. 1. Snowball Dr. Avalanche Hybrid Strategy. What is it in details? It has types before the hybrid strategy. 1. Debt Snowball. Pay off your smallest debt first, build momentum. 2. Debt Avalanche. Pay off highest interest first. This method saves more money on interest. 3. Hybrid. Start with a few small ones to get wins, then switch to Avalanche for the rest. It works on low income because you gain psychological wins early like morale boosts, then attack high interest ones to reduce cost, and then complete the repayment in no time. A real-life example is Jacqueline. She used aggressive hybrid payoff strategy and discipline to clear $48,000 in debt in just 15 months. Way 2. Side hustles/micro income and gig boosts. This use small extra income sources, freelance, tutoring, delivery, online side gigs, and directing 100% of that extra to debt. You can check our video in the description for how to make extra income using some extra income sources. It works because you don't have to rely only on your main job salary. Even $200 to $2,000 extra per month, when applied to principal, cuts months off. Here is a real-life example for you. Logan M., a 28-year-old accountant in the U.S., paid off over $73,000 in student loans in 3.5 years by living extremely frugally, doubling down on income, and putting all surpluses to debt. He cut back on wants, split rent, and used every spare dime to accelerate his payoff. Here is a tip. Use gig platforms with low barrier entry, writing, transcription, delivery, and set up autopay from side income toward debt. Way 3. Debt consolidation, refinancing, or negotiation. It simply means combine multiple high-interest debts into one loan with lower interest or negotiate terms. Lower rate, extended time with lender. Benefit are it lowers your total interest burden, simplifies payment, reduces monthly stress. Caution. Sometimes payoff too early can temporarily reduce credit score slightly, but on balance, reducing interest is a win. Tip. Approach your lenders honestly, ask for hardship programs, ask to lower your rate, or merge loans if your credit system allows. Way 4. Bi-weekly or an accelerated payment schedules. Instead of paying monthly, you can split your payments every 2 weeks, for instance, half payment every 2 weeks. Over a year, you will end up making one extra full payment. Why it helps on low income. Smaller chunks may feel easier to budget, and extra payment helps chip away principal faster. Currently, many financial advisors promote bi-weekly schedules because that extra payment reduces interest and shortens term and helps repayment. Tip on how to do this. Check with lender if bi-weekly payments are allowed. Though some do not accept this, if they accept, fine, and if not, set up automatic transfers timed with your paychecks in your account. Way 5. Automatic payment plus roundup or micro extra. When you set your loan on auto pay, also add a small extra, for instance, $5, $10, or $50 each month, or round up amount due to nearest even amount. This way works because you don't feel the extra. It's automated. Over time, these micro extra payments chip a lot off principal without you noticing. According to a story from one of our client, Laura, she said that after just 9 on-time and complete payments, she felt more confident and the monthly schedule became realistic for her. Even simple consistency leads to psychological relief and great motivation. Tip on doing this is, if possible, set autopay on a day you receive paycheck so the funds are available. Way 6. Snowflake/micro payments and overpayments strategy. Make additional small payments whenever you can, for instance after selling something, gift money, after cutting a small expense, put change toward the loan. Why this works? Every little bit counts against the principal. It's psychologically satisfying, and over time the snowflake bits reduce your balance. Useful tip on this. Use an app or envelope method. When you have extra change, dump it into your debt fund immediately rather than spending it elsewhere. 5 final tips and common mistakes to avoid. 1. Don't skip emergency fund entirely. Keep a small buffer to avoid defaulting. 2. Avoid new debt while you repay. Don't open new credit lines prematurely. Just don't. 3. Track your progress visually. Charts, graphs, checklists. Seeing is believing. 4. Celebrate small wins. Closing one loan, making extra payment, small interest savings. Celebrate it. 5. If a lender rejects negotiation, approach a credit counselor or nonprofit for mediation, or drop a message for us in the comment section, and we will assist you on how to navigate this. All right, warriors, that's 6 smart ways to repay your loans faster, even on a lean income. Remember, it's not about magic. It's about discipline, consistency, and using every extra dime to your advantage. If you like this, hit like, subscribe to My Issues of Life, and ring that bell so you get notified when I drop. Part 2, Loan Negotiation and Forgiveness Hacks. Leave a comment below on which strategy will you try first, or ask me for a detailed plan for your case. I'll respond. Yes, I will. We provide financial guidance on making money and growing your asset and getting out of debts. Thanks for watching. Stay focused and smart, and let debt shrink while you grow. See you next time.